Why do some men have larger penises while others have smaller ones? Is it all about genetics, or does something else come into play? Today's topic, penis size. But I'm not here to perpetuate stereotypes or make wild claims. Instead, I'll be exploring the science behind penile size and why it varies from man to man. Hi, I'm Dr. Fiona, a sexologist and urological surgeon. Here on my channel, I make sure to provide the most accurate and authentic information about men's health and urological topics. If you find this content valuable, make sure to hit that subscribe button. So, penile enlargement and penile size are topics of interest for many men, but what makes a penis grow in the first place and when? What determines penis size? Actually, genetics plays a huge role in determining penis size. Just like your height, eye color, or even the shape of your nose, your penis size is largely inherited from your parents. Studies show that about 80% of penis size variation can be attributed to genetic factors. So, your penis size is influenced by your DNA. It's largely hereditary, meaning it's passed down through generations. We can't control our genes, and there is no magic pill or exercise to change them. Even gender is determined by our genes. Now, if that is the case, if everything is dependent on genetics, then why in some cases your penis differs in size from your brother's? To answer this, let's talk about penile development. You know, the information about gender is hidden in the sex chromosomes. These are called X and Y chromosomes. In normal development, you will get one sex chromosome from your mother and one from your father. From your mother, you will get an X chromosome, and from your father, you could get any. Either it's X chromosome or it might be Y chromosome. If you receive the X chromosome from your father, then you will become a girl. And if you receive the Y chromosome from your father, then you will become a boy. Thus, males are characterized by the XY chromosomal arrangement, and females by the XX arrangement. Now, when it comes to the penis. Now, of course, if you inherit Y from your father, you will become a boy. But here is the interesting thing. The X chromosome from your mother is responsible for your penis size as well as girth. And remember, your mother has two X chromosomes. So, it is quite possible that one X contains the information for the large penis while the other doesn't. So, that's why sometimes differences can be seen in brothers. I hope I'm able to make you understand. Now, genetics isn't the whole story. There's more. Specific hormonal changes during fetal development also contribute. Studies shows that androgens are responsible for 68 to 78% of the adult penile length. The first critical phase occurs in fetal life between week 9 and 18. The placenta produces HCG, human chorionic gonadotropin, which starts to produce testosterone in the fetal testicles, which makes the penis develop and grow for about 0.2 to 0.3 centimeters only, but before birth it will grow an extra 2 centimeters. Furthermore, testosterone exposure in the womb influences the development of male genitalia. If there's a high level of testosterone, this can lead to larger penis, while lower levels might result in smaller size. Now, this doesn't just apply to humans either. Many animals show similar trends. Now, environmental factors during development can also affect size. Exposure to certain chemicals, such as endocrine disruptors, like BPA or phthalates found in plastics, during fetal development can interfere with hormone levels. This can lead to changes in penile size and overall development, and that structure in the uterus that provides the fetus with oxygen and nutrients. This period appears to be very important in terms of penile size that will grow under the influence of androgens. This means that any interference with androgenization during that period may result in a less pronounced or even faulty penile development. Problems might arise within the placenta, or may also be disruptors from outside. After birth, testosterone levels increase again for a second surge, beginning around day 9. This surge peaks between 2 and 3 months of age and then gradually decreases by the 6-month mark. During this period, the penis grows by 0.5 to 0.8 centimeters. Afterward, growth slows down and remains minimal until puberty. Puberty is another critical time for penis growth. Testosterone surges during adolescence trigger penile growth. However, if a boy experiences delayed puberty or insufficient testosterone production during this time, penile development may be less pronounced. Conversely, those who go through early or more intense puberty may see more growth. So, during puberty, the penis will grow to its full size. There's also the human growth hormone, HGH factor. HGH plays a role in body development, and men with higher levels during their growing years may see enhanced growth in various body parts, including the penis. There are tons of myths about penis size. Some say it can grow through exercises, pills, or certain foods. But the truth is, outside of medical conditions, penis size is largely set after puberty. Practices like penis stretching exercises or pills marketed for size enhancement have little to no scientific backing. So, now you know who's responsible for your smaller penis size. Yep, it's unfortunate, but you can thank your mother for that. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful content. So, yeah, that's it.